Revitalize your Denver, Boulder kitchen with Colorado Cabinet Refacing. Tired of your outdated kitchen but dreading the cost and upheaval of a full remodel? Colorado Cabinet Refacing, CCR, offers Denver and Boulder homeowners a smarter solution to transform their kitchens without the stress and expense. Why Denver and Boulder homeowners choose Cabinet Refacing? Local touch. CCR is not just another refacing company. They are local experts who understand the unique styles and tastes of Denver, Boulder homeowners. Their personalized approach ensures a kitchen transformation that reflects your individual vision. Custom Cabinet Refacing. Forget cookie-cutter solutions. CCR specializes exclusively in cabinet refacing, crafting custom designs tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Affordable kitchen remodel. Refacing is a fraction of the cost of a full kitchen remodel, making it a budget-friendly option that still delivers a stunning makeover. Minimal disruption. Say goodbye to weeks of construction chaos. Cabinet refacing is a less invasive process, meaning you can enjoy your upgraded kitchen sooner with less mess and stress. Quality craftsmanship. CCR uses only premium materials and techniques, ensuring your refaced cabinets look beautiful and stand the test of time. Cabinet refacing versus replacement. Refacing is a more sustainable and cost-effective alternative to cabinet replacement. CCR helps you achieve a beautiful, modern kitchen while minimizing waste and saving money. Kitchen cabinet makeover. Tired of your kitchen's dated style? CCR offers a wide range of door styles, finishes, and hardware options to create a completely new look and feel for your kitchen. Kitchen cabinet upgrade. CCR can also upgrade your kitchen's functionality with features like soft close hinges, pull-out shelves, and custom storage solutions. Increase home value. An updated kitchen is one of the most sought-after features for homebuyers. A kitchen cabinet makeover from CCR can significantly increase your home's value and appeal. Choose Colorado Cabinet Refacing. With Colorado Cabinet Refacing, you'll benefit from the expertise of a 30-year veteran in the industry, dedicated to delivering exceptional results and exceeding your expectations. Their direct-to-consumer model ensures you get the best possible value, with no middlemen or hidden fees. Your dream kitchen awaits. Don't let outdated cabinets hold your kitchen back. Contact Colorado Cabinet Refacing today for a free estimate and discover how you can transform your kitchen into a space you'll love.